Hello everyone, I am Roshan and welcome to Indian Box. In my last video, we have seen what coronavirus is, its symptoms and other information. If you have not seen that till now, you can click on top right corner to check out the same. In today's video, we will see what all preventive measures we need to take to prevent ourselves and our family. So let's begin. First and most important thing we need to follow is hygiene practices. Washing your hands regularly with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer for at least 20 seconds, especially after coughing, sneezing or coming from outside. If you don't have sanitizer, you can use soap and water also. This can kill any viruses on the hands. Next, we have to avoid social gathering. We are currently in nationwide lockdown, and we should avoid any social gathering or going to any crowded places. If you are going outside for any essential service, make sure you maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance between yourself and others. Also do work from home if applicable and stay at home. We should avoid touching our eyes, nose and mouth because our hands might have touched many surfaces and that may have viruses on it. And this can transfer the virus into our body. So avoid touching and wash your hands if you touch any outside surface or any object. Wear mask if you are going outside. While sneezing or coughing, cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue as shown in the image. Also dispose the used tissue or mask and wash your hands. Next, we have to stay home and avoid going outside. Wear a mask if you need to leave your house. Avoid any travel and spend time with your beloved family at home. And if you are not feeling well and having fever, cough or any other symptoms related to that, you can call health authorities and get medical attention. Inform the local health authority by call in advance if possible so they can arrange necessity and follow the direction given by them. Next is how we can take prevention measure in household and workplaces. Keep your house clean and follow hygiene practice at home as well as workplace. If you are part of any workplace, make sure cleaning done on all surfaces regularly. Hand sanitizer and soap water are made available. Avoid any face-to-face meeting and use conference call whenever possible. And last, allowing employees to work from home wherever possible. Keep yourself updated on the latest information from trusted source only, such as government or World Health Organization (WHO). Support and follow their recommendation and avoid any fake news or misleading information. As of today, no medicine and vaccines are available for coronavirus. Many of companies are working and few are in testing trials. So stay safe, stay home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.